weeks. If you wanna get your hair laid straight, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads. I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'm going to be working on the third wig of my series. That's revamping and restyling old wigs over 2 years old, you guys. I have so many personal wigs, and I don't even know why I have that many. I don't need that many. So I'm going to start doing something new with them. So today you'll see me revamping and restyling this body wave wig. I love the color of it. I love the body wave. And the reason I have never flat ironed it, because sometimes when you flat iron body wave wigs, when you wet it, that same texture doesn't come back. The wave isn't as vibrant as it was before. But I'm going to do it today. And I'm not going to cut it. So watch me style wig number 3 today. You guys, I just finished styling her, and now I'm going to put her on. And even though I just finished flat ironing her, I think I want to put some curls or something in it because it's just so flat. So let's see. So now I'm going to put some curls on the end because it's just so flat, you guys. And I'm a little bit leery about putting the curls on the end because although this hair was perfect when it was just body wave texture, I noticed that when I was flat ironing it, it had a lot of fibers in it, you guys. Meaning it was like fake hair. It was synthetic hair or something added in there. And now I'm afraid to curl it because it might not curl right. And then another reason that it might not curl right is because I flat ironed it so straight. But I don't think that's the point with this hair because it had a lot of fillers in it. So I'm just going to put some curls on the end and hopefully it curls. Okay, when I secured the wig, I used the Fantastic Hairspray, but we'll see. And then I put even if it puts a little band, then I give it a little bit of body band because that's my personal crazy. It was a body wig and I flat ironed it. And I just smelled the hair to see if it smelled burnt. It didn't smell burnt. However, I do know that it had a lot of fillers in it. So yeah, when I secure my wig, I use the clips that they have in the wig, and I also use the Fantastic Hairspray and put the headband on. Then the reason I use that is because I don't like to sleep in my wig, so I take them off. Because in the past, when I first started wearing wigs, I hated that tan line around my hairline. And plus, I like being free when I sleep. I like to get my sleep on. So with that being said, that's why I spray that on there. However, when I do want to wear my wigs for more than one day, I use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Oh my God, you guys, that thing ain't coming off. But yeah, I'm curling this hair, and I'm already knowing when I take the curling iron through, it's not curling. It gives barely a bump, but you guys will see. And maybe it's because the hair's already flat iron, and that's also a flat iron that curls the hair. It could be that too, but we'll see. We will see. As you guys can see now, it did give a slight curl, but it was like a lazy, soggy curl. Not the kind of curls that you can run your fingers through and fluff out, because they will definitely fall. Sometimes I like baby hairs and sometimes I don't. In the beginning where everybody was wearing baby hairs, I was like, oh, let me do baby hairs, let me do baby hairs. But sometimes I just don't feel like it. But today, I didn't feel like it, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm curling it with my little, what is that little flat iron called? A mini flat iron? Whatever it is, it's really small and it's good for curling the baby hairs. Now, if I'm off camera, I do my baby hairs so quick and it's so effortless. But every time I'm on camera doing these dang on baby hairs, guess what? It never is. It's always a task. Guys, the curls look okay. I went back in and I curled it again and they still look lazy. But this is as good as it's going to get for this wig today, you guys. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.